Hello everyone. Today in this video I will be talking about Pongal festival. Pongal festival is also a harvest festival celebrated mainly in the southern India, precisely in Tamil Nadu. It is celebrated for around 4 consecutive days. It is observed at the start of the Thai month according to the Tamil solar calendar, and this typically falls around 14th or 15th of January. This festival is also dedicated to the sun god or Surya Devta, corresponding to Makar Sankranti. Day 1 of the Pongal festival is called the Bogi Pongal. Second day is celebrated as Surya Pongal, third day as Mattu Pongal, and last day as Kanum Pongal. The festival is named after the word Pongal in Tamil, which means to boil and overflow, and refers to the traditional sweet dish prepared from the new harvest of rice boiled in milk with jaggery. To mark the festival, the Pongal sweet dish is prepared and offered to the gods and then shared by the family. Bogi Pongal. The Pongal festival begins with Bogi Pongal. It marks the last day of the Tamil month, Margali. On this day, people discard old belongings and celebrate new possessions. People assemble and light a bonfire in order to burn the heaps of discards. People offer prayer to Lord Indra, the god of rains, thanking him and praying with hopes for good rains in the year ahead. Surya Pongal. Surya Pongal is the second and main festive day and is dedicated to sun god. Homes are cleaned and decorated to give a festive look. People wear new clothes to mark the start of the festival. People decorate their courtyard with beautiful columns or rangoli, which are beautiful patterns made using white powder or colored powder. Friends and families get together and prepare the Pongal dish in a traditional earthen pot in an open space in the view of the sun. The pot is typically decorated by tying a turmeric plant or flower garland. 2 or more fresh sugarcane stalks are placed near the cooking area. The Pongal dish is traditionally prepared by boiling milk. When it starts to bubble, freshly harvested rice grains and lentils are added to the pot, along with cane sugar or jaggery. As the dish begins to boil and overflow out of the vessel, people around shout out, "Pongal o Pongal," which translates to "Let it boil over," symbolizing and wishing for greater fortunes in the year ahead. This sweet dish called Pongal is shared as the prasadam among the community. Lot of cultural activities takes place during Pongal celebrations. People get together for group dance and music performances like Kolattam, Karagattam, Kavadiyattam, Poikal Kudireyattam, Mailattam, and many more. Day 3 is celebrated as Mattu Pongal. Madu means cow or bullock. The people here regard cattle as sources of wealth for providing dairy products, fertilizer, transportation, and agricultural aid. On Mattu Pongal, cattle are decorated with flowers, paint their horns, offered some fruits, special meal, and are worshipped. Lots of cultural activities takes place during this major festival. One is Jallikattu, which is a sports event involving cattle. Thus ends the day of Mattu Pongal. The last day is called Kanum Pongal, which marks the end of this festival. The word Kanum means to visit. People typically use this day to visit their friends and relatives to strengthen their bond. Some people travel around to nearby places just for sightseeing. Thus ends this great festival called Pongal, celebrated with fun and fervor.
வணக்கம்.